What's good, YouTube? You already know what it is. It's your boy Shawn.Stay.Fitted. Actually, I hate to say this is gonna be kind of a rush job, but semi-rush job, we'll just say, because I got a major haul from Burlington Coat Factory. You know how when you go in there, places like that, DD's, City Trends, man, I mean, at the prices, sometimes you just can't help yourself, man. And I did a little bit of picking up because this weekend I will be going to Vegas. So, I mean, when I can, I like to try to pick up something new when I go out there just to have, you know, a couple of new things, if not all new things when I go. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, without that, we're going to get right into it because, like I said, there's a couple of things, you know what I mean? And I will be getting footage this time again when I go back to Vegas. Hopefully, it won't be as chopped up as the last one, but I mean, you already know me, of course. I will be going to the outlets. I will be going to the Nike outlet. I make it a point to always get up in there. I'm going to try to get to the one at the state line and the one that's also on the north end by downtown Vegas. That's the one I was in last time when I picked up the Kobe up Tempo. So, but yeah, without further ado, man, we going to get into it, man. So, Burlington Coat Factory, money spent, money gone, man. Burlington Coat Factory haul. Let's go. And like I said, man, I don't even know where to start, but let's just start with pants. These are, I'm pretty sure people heard of Mark Echo. He has the Echo stuff, the little rhino thing on there. I'm guessing these are pretty much a little more casual because these are Mark Echo cut and sew line. I'm not really sure, but I like the way they look. You know what I'm saying? I tried them on. I like the way they fit. And of course, you know, living that Burlington life, man. Where's the price at? Okay, well, I got another color in these also. And I guess the price wasn't on that one. Let me see if the price was, I guess the price wasn't on either one of these. I forgot what I got them for, but you already know when you go into Burlington, you pretty much pay little to nothing. The material on them, they're slim straight. The material feels like a soft jean kind of like material, so it's not like, you know, kind of like a 501 jean material, if you get what I mean. The regular retail on them, you know, that they were going for before they hit Burlington anyway, were, oh, that's wild, $85, but yeah, you know, that wasn't the case in Burlington. But I also got them in like this stonewash blue. I just see the same thing. And actually on these, I actually messed up. I got these. Well, I wanted a 44. I think those were 46. The 44 actually fit just right. You know what I mean? And these don't have the price on them either. But I think, if I'm not mistaken, I want to say I paid $19 for both of them. You know what I mean? Can never have too many jeans, especially that color. I think that's like only my second pair of jeans I have in this color, and I like this kind of like off stonewash kind of like color. Then of course, you know you can't go into Burlington without grabbing a pair of Rocawears, you know what I mean? And yeah, me personally, I still do rock them, especially when they got the newer looking brand, you know what I mean? Got the nice little smaller logo on there with the stonewash and the distilled jean look. But me, I still will Rocawear because, I mean, just me, personal preference. I don't really do the Gucci's and all that kind of stuff, especially with a lot of stuff that's been going on. I mean, internet-wise, it's just been, you know, with these companies and doing different little things, not even to get into all that. So I choose just to wear, you know, I mean, personally, I rock the companies that rock with us, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna still do my Rocawear. And these were actually, man, I don't know if the price must have came off of all these things because I don't even see the price on these. But anyway, here's all the tags that came on them. But for the most part, I want to say these were like $17.99 if I can remember correctly. And then, more crazy, I just basically found a rack that was just full of shirts. So, and of course my fashion, I bought them all, as you see. Let's start with the first ones. I think all of them, if I'm not mistaken, are Shawn. I like the print on them, you know what I mean? Just some nice little graphics on them. Like I said, one thing as far as, especially with summertime coming around, I mean, I wear a lot of button-ups, but you can never have too many t-shirts, you know what I mean? Just try to get into them real quick, get them in, get them out. This is one of the better ones that I liked right here. with the little saying on it. It says dream big. I like how the writing looks on that one. And then again, a white, just a little white casual. And what I like about a lot of these go with a lot of the kicks I have. So I'll be able to finesse with the, you know what I'm saying, when you break out just the t-shirt, the jeans, and a pair of J's. And then of course, found this in there, you know what I'm saying? You know, in the last video I had a little bit back, I had found a lot of the Champion sweat stuff. It's just another little Champion t-shirt that I can throw on with some sweat that'll go pretty decent with it. So that definitely worked out pretty good. And then of course, with the weather changing, you can never have too many sweaters. This is a sweater hoodie. Now this is the actual Echo with the rhino on the front. It zips down in the front. Just a regular basic hoodie. Couldn't pass it up. I mean, especially for the price. This is something I could just throw on when you know, just bouncing out somewhere really quick. You know, you ain't trying to get all dressed up or nothing. You just want to, you know, not have a heavy coat on and just throw something on. So that's what we did here. And this one, I don't know if all my tags fell off or something. That's kind of crazy. I have no price tags on nothing. I hope they didn't try to overcharge you, boy, nothing like that. But yeah, this one I don't remember how much I paid for, but it was a must-have, and it was in my size, which is rare finding stuff in my size. So you know how that go. And here go another record. Oh, surprise, surprise! We finally got a tag on something. Another rocket wear, just a nice little button-up shirt. Like I said, I have a lot of button-up shirts. That's why I tried to buy as many t-shirts as I could. But, you know what I'm saying? Not bad. Just something when you step out, you know, just throw something on real quick. As you can see, it's bags everywhere, man. Like, as you see, when I go grab something, I literally grab a lot. Like, this literally will last me all while I'm out there. And I'm only going for like 4 days, so. But, yeah, it'd be that way. As you can see, I'm just literally finna grab all these shirts out of the bag. This one here, another Champion shirt. I like this one because this has like the little like suede material on the Champion writing. So I thought that was dope. So I picked that one up. This is only 14 bucks. Like I said, I like how I had the little suede Champion on there. Just something to throw on real quick. And of course, more of the Shawn John stuff. Got this on the back of the shirt. And what made me pick this up, I like how the front of the shirt is, how it looks with the little writing on there. You know what I'm saying? With the black and the blue, how it says dream big and it has a Shawn John, but it has like cities on the side of it. So I thought that was pretty dope. Nice little concept. And this, I just like the graphics on this tee. As you see, I made sure I picked up a lot of t-shirts. You know what I'm saying? Because like I said, the weather's about to be changing. You can't wear button-ups in the heat, especially out here in Cali when it gets to like 100 and 110 and all that. So definitely want to keep your t-shirts, you know what I'm saying, nice and stocked. And I know I'm probably trying to run through this and go through this, but like I said, I don't want to hold you up on, you know, pretty much somebody else's shopping and everything, but just a little something for the Vegas trip. So when you see me in the Vegas vlog, you'll be like, oh, I remember when he showed that, you know, that type of deal. Then just some basic little rocker-wear sweats. Actually, I like how these are, man. These are like, they good material, they sturdy, they built heavy, you know what I'm saying? Got the rocket wear coming down the leg. So I'm gonna definitely get some out of these right here, man. I'll probably ride these and rock these on the way up. So definitely get some use out of that. And man, I'm trying to make sure I don't forget nothing. We went through all of it, man. We went through all of it just that quick. But like I said, man, I just wanted to say, or not say, but show y'all what I picked up. With that being said, that basically this is just a lead into me going to Vegas for the weekend. So definitely stay tuned for that. That's what's going to be coming up. In the meantime, keep watching. Just want to put that out there. I'm definitely going to do some vlogging while I'm out there. So just want to show y'all what I picked up. Now I'm going to go put this with some outfits and see how we going to rock it. You already know what it is, man. So stay tuned for that Vegas vlog. That's going to be definitely coming up next when I get it good. I'm trying to do some editing out there. I'm going to take the laptop and the iPad out there, try to see what I can do. But in the meantime, that's what it is. I'm going to see y'all on the next video. You already know Shawn.Stay.Fitted, man. Appreciate y'all watching and supporting the channel. Stay tuned for the next one, man. I'm going to get up out of here because I got things to do. So thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff, man. Keep rocking with your boy. I'm going to check y'all out when I'm in Vegas, man. Gone.